These are the elevators at Lake Pointe Center 5 on the northeast side of Indy. This is kind of a surprise. We got some Kones. These things are really nice. I like them. Like the floor. The cab's overall pretty nice. Going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
6, please.
You have a good one.
Thank you.
There's the certificate. 3,500 pounds. KSS 500 fixtures. I think these deserve one more ride. Well, Kone was not what I was expecting here, but these are very nice. I'm impressed. Pretty fast too. But anyways, here we are at 1.